Hey people of God, join me as I make lunch for hubby. I made unripe plantain mixed with potato porridge for hubby for lunch. And this is me waking up early to make sure hubby goes to work with lunch, okay? It's not easy to be a wife. And this is me cutting my potato. After cutting my potato, I washed it properly. After washing the potato properly, I added back my unripe plantain and washed it as well. Some people do not wash unripe plantain after cutting, but I washed mine because I don't like to even chew or taste sand in my food. And this is me cutting my fresh tomatoes. After cutting my fresh tomatoes, I chopped my onion as well and I added it into the pot. As it is now here, I've added my fresh tomatoes, my pepper, my onion, my spicy, my seasoning, and I added water to it. Okay, I've added my crayfish mix as well. This crayfish is mixed with pepper, and I added water, enough water that will enable the food to cook well. Okay, after adding this water, I added my palm oil to give me that desired color that I need for the food. After adding my palm oil, I covered my pot. As my food is already on fire and is cooking, I decided to prep my fish. Okay, this fish, I want to serve it with the food. All right, I want to serve this fish with the food. So after cleaning my fish, I mixed that is seasoning, salt, and spice. Is the spice name is madish spice. So I mix it together so I can spice the fish. So this is me spicing the fish. After that, I set that aside and I went to check my food to see if my food is ready. Okay, this is me stirring the food. I stir it to make sure it is ready, but as it is now, as it is right here, is not ready. So I covered it up back and I went back to my fish. So this is me prepping this fish to take it to the air fryer. Okay, after prepping, I took the fish to the air fryer to air fry the fish. Now this is me adding this fish to my air fryer. Yeah, I added it back to the air fryer one after the other, and I arranged it very well so that it will dry so easily, only for me to find out that my air fryer is bad. Honestly, this was so devastating for me. After prepping this fish, the air fryer is bad. You can look at my face. Look at how devastated I was. Honestly, what can I do? I continue with my food here. I can't stop cooking because the air fryer went bad, or I can't air fry the fish anymore. I've already added my scent leaf, and this is me adding my ugu to the food. So after adding ugu to the food, I stir it properly, very well, and I covered it for the ugu to cook a little. And this is me opening it again and stirring the food. Stir the food. Yeah, stirring. Oh Jesus, English. Stirring the food. Wala, wala English na your mate. This is me serving the food. Oh more English to be your mate. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to always comment, share, and like our video. See you in our next video. Bye.